This is the story of a little bird living in a hot desert. Her life was full of pain. She was always sick. Her feathers had fallen off. She couldn't fly. She had no home, no food, no water. Only loneliness, struggle, and sadness. One day a white pigeon was passing by. The weak bird called out, "Brother, please stop." The pigeon paused and asked, "Sister, why do you look so sad?" The little bird asked, "Where are you going?" The pigeon replied, "I am going to heaven." Hearing this, a small hope lit up in her eyes. She folded her little hands and said, "Brother, please, ask God about me in heaven. When will my pain end? When will my bad days turn into good ones?" The pigeon promised, "I will surely ask about you." And he flew away. When the pigeon reached heaven, he met an angel at the entrance. He told the angel about the bird's suffering and asked about her fate. The angel replied, "God has written 10 more years of sorrow for her. She will not find happiness until then." The pigeon's heart sank. He said, "If I tell her this truth, she will lose all hope. Isn't there any way to help her?" The angel thought for a moment and said, "Tell her to say these words in every situation. Thank you, God, for everything." This is her real test. The pigeon returned to the desert and delivered this message. At first, the bird didn't understand, but she made a promise to herself. "No matter what happens, I will always say, 'Thank you, God, for everything.'" When she fell on the hot sand, she whispered, "Thank you, God, for everything." When she was thirsty and found no water, she repeated, "Thank you, God, for everything." When her feathers fell off from sickness, she still said, "Thank you, God, for everything." Slowly, something magical began to happen. Her weak, broken feathers were replaced by new, strong ones. One day, as she walked in the desert, dark clouds gathered. Strong winds blew. Suddenly, rain poured from the sky. Green plants started growing. A pond of fresh water appeared. The little bird became healthy again. She could fly. She felt joy for the first time. After 10 days, the pigeon passed by again. He was shocked to see the bird flying, laughing, and happy. The once dry desert was now full of life and greenery. The pigeon thought, "How is this possible?" He rushed back to heaven and asked the angel, "You said she would suffer for 10 years, but her life changed in just 10 days." The angel smiled and said, "Yes, her fate was written with 10 years of sorrow, but she changed it." When someone honestly says, "Thank you, God, for everything," in every situation, they burn away their past karma. Her test was over. Her 10 years of sorrow were reduced to just 10 days. Because of her pure gratitude. Most of us start complaining the moment small problems come into our lives. We cry out, "Why me?" But we forget that gratitude has the power to change our destiny. When we truly say, "Thank you, God, for everything," whether life is painful or beautiful, we begin to transform our fate. Complaining makes life heavier. Gratitude makes life lighter. From today, promise yourself, whatever situation God keeps me in, I will always thank Him with all my heart. Sometimes just this one small change can transform your entire life. Let's all say together, "Thank you, God, for everything."